Semolina pancake with tomato dip, or Baghrir with tomato dip, or Rava Appam with tomato chutney. A very delicious and tasty dish made easily at home. Today we are going to make Semolina pancake or Baghrir. The ingredients are 1.5 cups of semolina or rava. Put in the semolina into the grinder. Put in 2 spoons of wheat flour into the semolina. Put in 2 spoons of sugar. Put in half a spoon of yeast. Pour in 2 cups of water and now close and grind well. Close the grinder and grind the semolina well. Now the semolina and the other ingredients have been nicely ground. Put in 1 to 1.5 spoons of baking powder. Put in 1 spoon of baking soda and mix. Mix into the flour. Now put in salt to taste. And nicely mix. Mix thoroughly. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. The baking powder and the other ingredients we have already mixed in the mixer grinder. We have to mix the baking powder and the salt thoroughly into the mixture. After that, let the mixture rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Or half an hour. Now the flour for the pancake is ready. The dough for the pancake is ready and can be used to make the pancake. Heat the pan and apply the oil onto the pan. Now pour in the pancake mixture and spread it. Then let it cook. Should let the pancake cook for around 15 minutes. You can see the flour drying up, the pancake mixture drying up. Once the pancake mixture completely dries up, it can be taken off the pan onto the plate. Now this can be taken off onto the plate. Apply the oil again. Pour in the pancake mix. Let the mixture cook. This pancake originally was made in North Africa and is called Baghrir. Many variations are present all over the world. Now wait for it to cook. This will take around 2 to 3 minutes. Now the pancake is full of holes and this can be taken off the pan and onto the plate. This is also called many-holed Semolina pancake. Now do this with the rest of the pancake mixture and repeat the procedure until all the PM pancake mixture is over. So the procedure has to be repeated, and each pancake will take around 2 to 3 minutes to cook, and once it's cooked it can be taken off. This is a very simple pancake to make, can be made easily at home without much work. And the specialty of this pancake is that it's soft and is full of holes, and hence it's called many holed Semolina pancake or Baghrir. Now once the pancake is done, it can be taken off the pan and onto the plate like the others. To make the dip for the pancake, pour in 10 ml of oil into the heated pan. Put in the ginger and the shallots. Kashmiri chili sauce, put in the tomato. Mix. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Mix the salt into the mixture thoroughly. So can be taken off the flame and allowed to cool. Now put in the mixture that we allowed to cool into the grinder. And grind well. Pour in 25 ml of water, close and grind well. This is the final Semolina pancake or semolina rolled pancake with tomato dip, or Baghrir with tomato dip, or Rava Appam with tomato chutney. Very delicious and easy to make breakfast recipe which can be easily made at home. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.